If you're having issues with the scanner on your Goodreads account or on the Goodreads mobile app, in this video, let me show you the exact process that you can follow to solve this issue. Now, in these situations, mostly what happens and what is the most common solution is you need to simply restart your phone. So mostly whenever phones have glitches, and once you restart it, you'll be able to solve this issue immediately. So you can try this out for yourselves as well. Make sure you reboot or restart your phone and try to see if this fixes the issue. If you're still having issues with it, then you need to check the camera permissions for the Goodreads app. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, and then head over to the permission setting and make sure that the camera is selected to allow. If this is not selected to allow, you won't be able to scan anything using the Goodreads mobile app. Now, even after doing all of these steps, if you're still having issues, then the last solution what you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Goodreads onto your phone. So simply uninstall it and then again re-download it. This ensures that any sort of bugs will be solved and you also will have the latest version. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.